That was Pink, one of the females. Big Sable Dog is their house dog. He would be the puppy's great uncle. If you look hard, you can see strings around the puppy's neck now. This is August the 2nd. That's Pink again. Her string is very dirty. And over here is Red, who is a male. Puppy! And this is Yellow, which is a male. Now he's going to roll on his back. Now the reason why they're a little damp is, this is Maroon, which is a female, is they've been in the sprinkler. It's been 110 degrees here today, so it's been kind of warm. This is Mustard, the female. They're up here on the grass and in the shade. You walk down here and get these other ones. Do it fairly quickly. Yee! That's blue, light blue. This one there is turquoise. That's the female. Light blue is a male. And this is little Cutie Pie here. She's got one ear up. And she's Maroon Girl, I think. No, she's purple. She's purple. And here's that old Pink again. And I guess that's all of them. They enjoy being out of the pen. They don't spend much time in the pen, actually. They go in there to eat. Most of the time they're loose in the yard. That way they can find their own. Here's Yellow rolling over there. That way they can find their own place in the shade. They're doing very well.